Wow. Oh, wow. It's right and good, huh? See. May make room for them. And then you want the food?
Ha?
Bago siya magbanay. Doon na bago tayo dito, isip ko, pwede ko ako.
Maglalakad-lakad. May CR dito, kuya? Wala.
Ito mo. Yung mga restaurant na rin. Babayad lang, 5 piso, 10 lang.
Yung ano, paliguan wala?
Wala mo ba? Dito.
Ah, okay. Sige po, salamat.
Wala rin po.
Pero walang ano,
wala na yung...
coconut tree.
Oh, wala na. Kasi yung banderang yun, ma'am, saka yung banderang yun, nasa loob tayo, yung swimming area, ma'am.
Kanina yung balik na yun sa inyo doon? Hmm? Why? You don't want?
No, it's okay. Later we'll go to
But don't swim.
huh?
Don't swim. Just we wait for the food. And we'll leave after.
So, deserving na po.
Okay, pakitik lang po ah. Oh, init pa. Okay, bigyan ko na ng pikin. Tissue and sauces.
Thank you.
Wala pa. Ilan kayo, ma'am? 4. Okay po. Go clear na.